Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I've been I've been going through a lot of my stuff and I took a little break and I've been creating rosettes, crepe paper rosettes. And I know I'm late to the party, guys. I know. But was watching some videos and I learned how to make these finally. Um, I've been trying to do it, you know how you hold it and you start pleating, right? Well, my rosettes never turned out perfect. Not that they needed to be, but when you're putting it on a project, they don't look uniform. Oh, and then I just did these with some fabric. These are nylon ribbons that I just found at my AC Moore for $1. And this is, you can't even tell the color of this, but it is such, and I love this pattern. It's a very pretty pattern, and I got it for $1. I was like very happy. And this is like a light pink with a bling center, and this is actually a earring that I used, and it's like a yellow with purple, so you can't really tell. I don't know what's going on with my lighting. Stinks, I know. You don't have to tell me. I've already had somebody say it stinks, so I already know. I can't help it. So unless I have 50 million different types of lighting, I'm never going to get the light that everybody wants. But, you know, I can't please everybody, and that's okay. So I'm just going to show you real quick how I do my rosettes, and it's probably nothing new. I mean, it's pleating crepe paper that you get from the Dollar Tree or AC Moore or any craft store for that matter, or even a Party City store. And what I do is I use my table. I don't use my fingers because, not that my fingers, I don't know, I manage it, I do it better while I'm on my table, and my table is a mess. So let me just show you real quick. Let me move my camera. Maybe, oops, hold on. Sorry. Let me move my camera a little close so you can see how I do it. Okay. So I used this hand to hold the center because that's the key of the rosette. From what I've been watching a lot of videos. I watched Ginger Pana. She did a really good video on how she makes her rosettes. Who else did I watched Roxy Fur. She used thread. So there's different ways of doing it, but this is the way I found that I am addicted to making these rosettes. And all I do is hold on to the center and I just start pleating. And I hold on. Oops. I know you can't see. I'm sorry. I'm trying to. Here, how about that close? And you just start. I know I have shadows. It's just the way it is. I can't do anything about it. Let me move my camera. This looks like blue streamer, but it's actually like a deep purple. I don't know why my and all you do is just hold the center. as you're pleating. Let me see if I can get this. And I know I'm not showing you. You can see all the shadows and all that stuff, but I just wanted to show that you don't need to hold on to your crepe papers. And you just pleat. Pleat. And then Ginger was saying that she uses the V, you know, when she's pleating. Let me unwind. She uses the tip and she makes that V as she's pleating it, which does really help, and it goes really quick, guys. It really does. And like I've shown you, I've made so many rosettes. It's not even funny, and sometimes it gets undone. But you know, crepe paper is very forgiving, from what I've learned, because I'm like, I can't do it, and I'd mess up, and then I get it uneven, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how and I'm just pleating. I'm not pleating for it to be neat. You know. And then you trim it off, because I did go over. See, this is where I started. And then what I do is I just tuck it in, and then I fold this over, because I'm never a straight cutter, and you don't have to be. And what I do is then I'm gonna pull you up here and show you what I do. I kind of hold the center and I slide it off the table, and then I hold it while it's all, you know, in a rosette. Use my mini attacher from Tim Holtz, and I add a few staples, and but as you can see, it is pretty good. I did a relatively okay job. It is a little bit uneven here, but what I do is, I take a circle, and I think this is about a 2-inch round, maybe 2.5. Oh no, it's a 3-inch circle, which is fine. And you and you can do this with any shape. If you have a butterfly punch, you can certainly do that. If you have a heart, maybe a heart-shaped punch is easier, and you can make little rosette hearts. I've seen people do that. And all I do is I trim around my circle, and it turns out perfectly every time. I mean, I'm on, oops, sorry. Being on camera, I'm trying to hurry up, so it's not such a long video, and I know I'm late to the game, which is okay. I'm always behind everybody else. But I just wanted to share how I do it. Maybe you're intimidated by these rosettes and you're like, I'm not gonna make them. I felt the same way. Voila. Then you have your perfectly round circle rosette. And I've done so many in the past couple days while taking a break, and I love it. So, okay guys, I hope this is helpful. I know everybody has shown how they do their rosettes, and this is just another way of doing it. And it's no different, but putting it on the table and pleating it seems easier and manageable, and using a template to make your perfectly round circles really helps as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.